Hey fam, this is what we rolling with today. Hey, I got this 3-color deli coleslaw. Hey, it's green cabbage, red, and carrots. Now, let me be honest with you. If you really want to go and get you some heads of cabbage, you can. But this is like the perfect ratio. So this is what makes this recipe absolutely simple. Now, this is about 6 cups of the mixture. And you got more green cabbage than red. And then you got a little carrots that's mixed off in there. Now this is an easy recipe. The recipe will be on my website, cookingwithmanualfocus.com. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and get this prepared, and I'm gonna go in with my mayo, and this is about a cup. And like I said, the detailed ingredients will be on my website, cookingwithmanualfocus.com. Now I got some brown sugar, I got some stone ground mustard, and then also got some celery seeds. And then I got some apple cider vinegar. And then all we gotta do, hey, get everything mixed in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my utensils because I need to get down off in there. And we gonna give this a mix right here. Hey, I like a creamy coleslaw, fam. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, easy recipe. Not really that many steps. I got a couple more ingredients that I want to add to finish this off. So I'm gonna hit it with a couple of pinches of salt, like that. And then I'm gonna come back with a little bit of pepper. Hey, like that. And then, like I said, get everything mixed in. And then you got your absolutely delicious savory coleslaw. Now we're gonna be making 2 coleslaws today. This right here, hey, this is gonna be like your creamy savory coleslaw. And then we're gonna make one of my favorites, is that sweet coleslaw. Hey, we're gonna be in the game. I like my coleslaw on the sweet side. Now this is what we're going in with on the sweet coleslaw. Going in with a little bit of mayo. We're gonna hit it with some apple cider vinegar. Now I got my stone ground mustard, my brown sugar, and then I got me some lemon juice. And then we're gonna get everything mixed in. That lemon juice is gonna give this a nice little lift. And then with your coleslaws, you want to let this, refrigerate and let those flavors set in. Because I'll be honest with you, when you first make it, the flavors are not going to be set just yet. But you want to let these, mature, let everything come together. And then we'll come back last with a couple pinches of salt to taste. And then I'm going to come back and end it with a little bit of black pepper. And then we'll put these coleslaws in the refrigerator and let it marinate at least 30 minutes. The longer you go, hey, the better it tastes. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your coleslaw 2 ways. Now, I already know some people don't like it sweet. Some people don't like it savory. So we got both the sweet and savory. Check this out right here. Now, I had to divide this up like the Red Sea. This is my savory here, and this one is my sweet. Hey, we're gonna give these a taste test, and let's go with the savory one first. Hey, look at that right there. Yes, sir. Hey, it's creamy, and I know it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Cheers, fam. Now that's delicious right there. And I'm gonna get that sweet one. Yes, sir. This is one I always get excited about because I like a sweet coleslaw. Hey, again, cheers, fam. Now that one right there for me, I love a sweet coleslaw, and that's on the money. Well, I mean, both of them is on the money, but that sweet one, hey, it got me in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel, you like content like this, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Don't forget to turn on that bell so you get the notifications when I release my content. Now, for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you already know what your boy the coach is doing. Hey, we in cookout season, so I'm about to smash into this coleslaw, put it on some hot dogs, maybe even put it on some pulled pork, and then I'm in the game. So we'll see you guys on the next recipe. We in the game.